Welcome to the channel. You've probably recently seen the Google AI mode on your browser. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how to navigate it. Ladies and gentlemen, what is Google AI mode? Well, it breaks down complex questions into multiple subqueries and it synthesizes comprehensive conversational answers that go far beyond just a simple keyword match. It also provides AI-generated answers with helpful links, images, intelligent follow-up suggestions, instead of just lists of blue links. It's so much more. Also, it supports typing, voice commands, image inputs for a truly flexible, intuitive search experience that's tailored to how you naturally communicate. It also enables dynamic interactions with follow-up questions, allowing you to explore topics deeper and refine your understanding through conversational engagement. Let me show you exactly what I mean. This is my homepage on Chrome. On the right hand side, you'll see that there is an AI mode here. Now, if I just go ahead and type in a search query, Facebook, I will get a bunch of results, right? But sometimes you get this AI overview. This is something that happened most recently, and you'll get like a little bit of a description of what it is or how to do it, or if you're asking a question or whatever. So you're getting like a human-like response. And this is basically this section here. You go and click on AI mode there. You can get to that same page by just simply clicking over there. You'll find yourself right here on the same page. Basically, now it's telling me what Facebook is, some of its key features, so on and so on and so on. So now let's say I want to ask a question. All right, how do I log into my Facebook account on my phone and my PC? So here we go. It's like chatting to a chatbot, just like ChatGPT or whatever. But the difference here with Google AI mode is that it's actually in your browser, and whatever you're Googling, whatever you're searching, it's actually right in there. And you can just continue a conversation. You can also see all of your sources over here, which is great. So you can actually jump in there. And what's more is you still have all the other results. So like if you just want to go ahead and click on all, you'll find like literally the search results that you were getting in any case. Then of course you have images, videos, whatever. You have all the rest of it. Okay, but what's nice about Google AI mode is that there's ways that you can actually search. So let's say you're having an error with Facebook. You can actually just screenshot it and add that photo up over here. You can also actually create images right here within. You can use Nano Banana right here within. So you can just say create images. And here you can just describe your image. A Facebook logo chilling on the beach. And I know that's completely irrelevant, but if you have a look at what you could do, you can do everything in one single space. So let's say that you are looking for a logo. Let's say you're looking for some images. You're doing something like that. You can actually do everything right in over here. It's all in one single space. And again, what's nice about it is it's right here on your homepage. This is my homepage. And everything's right here. So whatever I search for, I can just literally go swap over to AI mode and it's all in there. It's all in one space. Look at that. Facebook is chilling on the beach.